Are you interested in making money online through affiliate marketing but don't know where to start? Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income and can be done by anyone with an internet connection. In this video, I'll share expert insights into how to start affiliate marketing and provide you with the essential steps to succeed in this highly competitive industry. First, let's define affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a win-win situation for both the company and the affiliate marketer. Here are the essential steps to start affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche. The first step in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific area of interest, and it's essential to choose a niche that you're passionate about and have knowledge of. This will make it easier for you to create content and promote products. 2. Select affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to select affiliate programs. There are many affiliate programs to choose from, including Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. Look for programs that align with your niche and offer products that your audience will be interested in. 3. Build a website. Building a website is essential for affiliate marketing. Your website will be the hub for all your content and affiliate links. You don't need to be an expert in web design to create a website. There are many website builders available, such as WordPress and Wix, that make it easy to create a professional-looking website. 4. Create quality content. Creating quality content is critical in affiliate marketing. Your content should be informative, engaging, and provide value to your audience. Write blog posts, create videos, or start a podcast. The goal is to create content that your audience will love and share. 5. Promote your content. Once you've created quality content, it's time to promote it. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing channels. The more exposure your content gets, the more likely it is to generate traffic and sales. 6. Track your results. It's essential to track your results in affiliate marketing. Tracking your results allows you to see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and sales. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn passive income online. To start affiliate marketing, choose a niche, select affiliate programs, build a website, create quality content, promote your content, and track your results. Follow these essential steps, and you'll be well on your way to success in affiliate marketing. If you found this video helpful, please follow and like for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing.